everyone, welcome to our Facebook page. So we are going to take a tissue paper, or you can take that toilet paper, make multiple folds and make a triangular shape like this. We are making crease here. Now open all of them and again fold it from its top and bottom. Now you have to hold it from its center part and press it like this. After this we are going to fold it from its sides and gently open it like we're doing here. Now flip it, take a scissor and cut it like we're doing here till the center part. Again fold it like we're doing here from its sides like this. Again hold the paper upwards and give it shape like we're doing here. Tuck the paper inside like this at the center part, and again we're going to cut like we're doing here in the video. Make multiple cut and look, it's ready. You can paste it on the top of the toilet paper like this and look, it's done. Take this tissue paper and fold it from its diagonals. Again fold it from its sides like this. Here we are going to make the crease. Now flip the paper and again fold it from its back side as well. Gently open it from its sides and make the petals of the flower. You have to pull it upwards like this from its back side as well, and look, your flower is ready. Put it in the glass container and look how pretty this is looking. Take a piece of tissue paper and we're going to fold it and make a triangular shape like this. After this we're going to open it gently. Now press it from its center part like this. Here we're going to make a heart shape. So start folding it from its both sides and pull the paper downwards like we're doing here. Now we are also making a bow shape at the center. So first make the heart shape and simultaneously we're going to give it shape and make a bow as well at the center part. So fold it from its top portion like this, flip it and look, it's ready. Down to make the bow shape now. So fold again like we're doing here from its bottom and press the paper upwards like this. Give shape from other side as well. Gently press it and look, it is ready. You can place it on the top of the roll and look, it's looking very pretty. We are going to hold one side of the paper roll and fold it like this. Make multiple folds like we're doing here in a triangular shape like this, and look, it's done. After this we are going to fold it like we're doing here and roll it again, and look, it's ready. You can put it on the stand. We're going to fold this paper from its corner. Now we are going to twist it using your thumb. Here we are going to do this in a straight line. Now roll it over and over again, overlap the paper like this, and look, your beautiful rose flower is ready. After this we're going to fold the paper roll like this and make a triangular shape. Here we're going to make a groove like this and put the flower and some fresh leaves together. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please